everyone, it's Kane here, and today we are doing another Poke game, guys. But this is a mystery one. I'm gonna close my eyes and press anything that I got, and I'll play this game. So, this one. What's that? So, guys, as you can tell, if the bigger they are, that means more people play it, guys. And if more people play it and it's bigger, I don't think I can play this one, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do another one. I'm just gonna go back over here. Over this one. Okay, let's try this one. Am I guessing a bot or something? Oh, it's a bot. Okay, guys. Guys, I have to turn the music off. This is getting way too bad. Psych. It's my turn. It's not letting me click. Oh. I block you again. Oh my god, this is so stupid. 5. 8. 9. Can't get anything, dude. Guys. Okay, there we go. Okay. 6. Yes, switch. Red now. Oh. I got +4. That's still okay, I guess. Oh, I don't have it. I don't have 2. Alright, let's block you. And I don't have any blue, so I'm gonna have to block you again. And then get you. Oh, I can do it. Yeah, that one. Okay. Do that one. Oh, do this one. Wait, he's gonna win. It seems he doesn't have any red. He doesn't have red, guys. I'm gonna win, guys. Switch the color. You cheeky little rat. Oh, I should have put red. I would have won. You must press 1 button when you only have 1 card. 2 cards penalty. Oh. Yep. Select the color. I will select red. Yep, he gets 4. And I'm gonna get shime. Uno. Ah. Can't do anything. Ooh, 5. Okay. 5 uno. Green. Green. Ah, yellow. God, I can't get that. Ooh, yellow. Okay, put a green 7 down. I'll be happy. Oh, I didn't see it. Oh, I'll block you. get 4 cards. I'm gonna pick green. I'm gonna go. He's gonna get 4, right? I'm gonna switch back to me. Get my 8. And get my blue. Oh, I didn't see! Guys, I'm just a stupid idiot. I can't even see. I get a card for now. My hand is literally on the Uno thing. Oh. Ooh, 3. Okay, guys. Let me check if okay. Can't get that. Darn it. Guys, I'm not doing too good. Get back to me. Oh. Get back to me. I'm so confused. Okay, I'm gonna get one of you. Ooh, +2 card, but switch to yellow. Okay, I put that down. Everything's going smoothly. Okay. Ooh, +2. Haha, noob. Okay. Let's oh, +2 again. +2 again. I'm gonna switch it up to a 7. Guys, he has so much cards. I might win. Ooh, 0. I can't get that. Okay, a 9. I don't have that. Oh, blue. Yes. This guy's an idiot. Oh, That's why I did 2. Okay. Another one. Okay. Another one? You have 3 plus 2s? Don't tell me you have another one. Oh my god. If he has another one, he's hacking. My god. Okay, first of all, I can't do that, so we can reverse back to me. Block you. And have a 7. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, it's my turn? Okay. 4. Block you. Give me a 1. Reverse back to you. Reverse back to me. No, reverse back to himself. Okay. So 7. You know might be a bit weird, guys, but give me a 6. Ooh. Reverse back to me. Reverse back to me again. Gonna put an 8. Ah, oh, darn it. Just when I thought I couldn't get better. Ooh, Uno. Not anymore. Well, I can't put it down. He's gonna win. Okay, this is gonna be the end of this game, guys. And I'm gonna pick another one. I'm gonna pick this one. Guess who? I have no idea. Please choose. Okay. Yeah. Please choose the character to guess. I'm gonna guess Alex. He looks cool. Choose a question in the box below. Oh. Guys, I can't play this game. I'm on mobile. Okay, let's try this again. Oops. Okay, I'm closing my eyes, guys. Da. Okay, wait. 3, 2, 1. Da. Jigsaw defense? Is that what it said? Or deluxe? Choose an image. Mine look cool. Let's do 16 for now. Oh. Oh, I hate this. I hate everything. Okay, so can I turn it? Oh, I can turn it. Okay, one's gotta be like that. Just put that right there. Okay, I think this should be up here. No, I can't. Put like that. No, that's not how it works. Okay, so just put the mouth on you. Wait, I'm so confused. This has to be in another lion. So I need to put an ear, maybe? Whatever this thing is. Oh. Oh yeah, it is like that. Okay. Just like that. There we go. Okay, guys, this it's working. Oh god, try it again. Right there. No, that's not right. I think that's up here. Yes. Guys, we're working, guys. That has to go here. No, but the other way. No, that has to go over here. Has to be. Yes. Okay, guys. Okay, this has to go over here. Yes. Okay. So the yellow parts have to be for the lion. That's wrong. Is this it? No. Like that? Nope. That doesn't look right. Maybe like this. Switch it around a bit like that. Guys, I'm stumped. Okay, let's find something else. Okay, that's right. Yep. Okay. Okay. The yellow parts must be the lion. Okay, Over here maybe? Over here? Yes. Okay, after here. Nope, don't call me. I'm having some business. That's not right. Is this right? Nope. So that piece looks exactly like this one. It's not. Over here? I need like a tuft of fur. Like this one. Oh, that one's this one. Yes. Okay, this is quite difficult, guys. God. Okay, that's right. Yes. Guys, I'm getting all the right choices. Has to go here. Yep. Has to go here. Guys, I'm working. This one. Nope, not this one. Oh, this one goes up here. Yes. Let's go, guys. Thank you very much. Anyway, this is going to be the end of this video. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and bye-bye.